Hey everyone, this is Dylan from X Nigeria, and in this video, we're going to take a quick look at how you can download the TradingView software. First thing you're going to do is visit the TradingView website at www.tradingview.com. Then, access the download page. Choose the Windows version for Windows users, and for Mac users, choose the Mac version. Run the installation file to start the installation process. Next, follow the instructions of the installation wizard to complete the installation. While Mac users, you can just drag and drop the TradingView application icon into the applications folder. Lastly, you'll launch the TradingView application from the desktop or start menu, and on Mac, you can launch from the application folder. So that's it. Following these steps, you'll be able to download and install the TradingView application on your Windows or Mac computer easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.